Hey YouTube, welcome back to Shots Life. Today we're going to be doing some fairing along with building the cover for the boat. Thanks for joining me. Welcome to my life. Hey, good morning YouTube. Today I had to clean the garage up. It was getting to be such a mess. I got so many different projects going on and so many parts coming in for the boat and whatever. Took some time just to clean it up. Just got stuff stacked everywhere. It's just ridiculous back here. But anyway, got that cleaned up. And today I plan on doing a little fairing. Somebody had asked me what brand I'm using. I'm using Total Boat for all my stuff, the resins and all that. So anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing this morning. So real quick, the one thing I don't like so far is there's no color change in the, so when you put the MEKP or whatever in it, you know, like Bondo, when you put the stuff in there, it changes the colors and turns like to green from blue and whatever the other color is. And so you know you got a good mix. Here I've just been mixing it a bunch because I don't know that I want to make sure I got a good mix. Oh, it's also thin, very thin. Hey YouTube, so today I was just sanding. I put 2 coats on yesterday, sanded those down, trying to smooth them out. I've been working on these edges a little bit because I just want them a little more square, even though I'm going to put that original aluminum but a little bit wider piece back on there just so it looks original. But remember, I rolled this in fiberglass so that it was totally closed off, and then I'm just building up the edge to make it just look a little nicer. Nobody will ever see it, you know, but I still want it nice. It's going to go underneath that aluminum. I'm going to put that wider aluminum strip on here, but just kind of keep that original look. But she's coming out nice. She's filling in. I'm going to have to do another coat, but as you can see, the weather turned nasty, and I don't want to put it on with the heavy humidity. So I think that's about what I'm going to do today. But I've sanded her down, cleaned her up nice, smoothed her out, and then I think just a couple more small, real thin coats of filler, and she'll be nice. She'll be good to go. But there's my upgrade for today. I guess I'll find something else to do. Go edit video or something. Maybe get another boat video for you guys. I don't know. Dang rain. Alright. See ya. Hey YouTube. Today my plan is to get this boat covered. I need to cover it up so I can crack that floor and get that thing working. But I don't want to crack the floor and then there'll be a chance of water getting in there. So when I do it, I need this to be covered. So I bought some PVC that you can see right here, and I'm going to basically make a PVC skeleton, and then I'll cover that with the tarp, and then I can work inside here. And it needs to be covered anyway. So that's what I'm going to do today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Hey, all right, so we've been plugging along. I need 8 more pluses I'm short, so I'll get those this evening, and then we'll get this thing finished tomorrow. But basically, you get the idea of what I'm doing once this gets in. And I'll even, I was thinking I'll even make a little, actually I'll get 9 pluses, because I'll make up a little plus, come up with a stand, do a T and then 2 corners, and then that'll hold this up in the center off the back door, just for some added support there in the middle. And then of course the tarp will go over the whole thing. So you kind of get the idea. I'll get those parts and we'll get her finished probably tomorrow. It's starting to get really hot outside, and I got a dinner tonight with my mom, and I'm supposed to help another guy put a battery in a boat. So there you go. We'll finish this up tomorrow. All right, good morning. I went to Lowe's last night and got the parts that I needed to finish this up, and we'll go ahead and get this frame done up and get it covered in a tarp. I think it's going along pretty cool. I know it looks funny because it's all leaning, but it won't be leaning once I get the rest of it in there. Yeah. Anyway, for not knowing what I was doing or having a plan, it's going out pretty well. All right, go ahead and comment and complain. I'll answer them. Whatever. I'll say thanks for watching, because that's what I always say. And I'll go ahead and cue up some of that music you guys like so much. Yeah. Real quick shout out to 303 Products. When they contacted me, I really didn't know who they were. They contacted me in the comments. You can go back and see it if you want to. But when they sent me their stuff, I realized I already use some of their stuff, like Stable and Heat. They make both those, and I run both those in my other boat. But they sent me a bunch of cleaning stuff and some other stuff. So real quick, thanks. Appreciate that from you guys. Yeah, we'll see how good the rest of your stuff is. I know Stable and Heat are great, so I'm sure the rest of it's just the same. All right, so now that I got the frame on there, I went ahead and put a tarp on top of it. I think that'll be a nice little, it'll keep it clean and nice and work environment inside there. But that should do it. It's actually pretty nifty in here. But this will provide me plenty of dry space now. The water won't be coming down on the boat, so I can cut this floor open then. And start repairing that once I'm done with the transom. Transom's coming along nice, as you know. I've already had 1 coat on it, and it'll be easy. I can tie these few ties there, flip it back, work on the transom, and then once she dries, cover her back up. It'll be nice. But just keeping the leaves and all the water from coming in here will be a whole lot better. Plus, I keep the sun off the thing for the first time in a lot of its life. Then I can start working on the small stuff like the woodworking and all that stuff that I need to do. So she's coming along. She's getting there. me out and like and subscribe to my channel, Shots Life, on YouTube.